Okay, now I show you how to do proper parking for road test. Again, this is not for real life. In real life we're doing a little bit different, but that's what you need to know. That's what you need to show how do you do that on the road test. So I will do parking on the behind this dark car, black car over there. It's Nissan. If I see properly, show that black car over there. So you will see how I will do that. So I'm moving and watch. Show. So I stop and I show the right signal that I intend to do parking here. I'm watching around. I should leave others car pass by. It should be enough space for them to pass by. If not, I should go. I shouldn't impede the traffic. Afterwards, I should stop close enough to the car. Now I'm not close enough, but it should be like 2-3 feet. My mirror should be a little bit before the mirror of the car. And I show to other drivers that I intend to do parking. Now I put gear on reverse. Gear on reverse. I move again. I'm watching around, show the cars passing. And I move gear one right turn. One right turn. Complete complete right turn. Afterwards, I'm moving back, then I'm moving back, always watch back. And you move slowly, you not move more than 2 miles per hour. If you're moving more than 2 miles per hour, you fail. And usually, if you're doing parking and moving fast back, usually you hit the curb. Again, it's from my experience, but can be yes, can be no, of course. So I'm moving back until my